Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix 13.B2.FF error on HP laser printers. Now I have here one HP Laserjet 600 M602 model, and the error is as you see 13.B2.FF jamming top cover. So this jam error appears on the control panel when paper is jammed into the top of the printer. Now I will show you exactly in this model how to fix that. Open the top cover, remove the cartridge, and usually the paper is jamming here, right after the sheet left the paper tray. Just use this green handle and slightly pull out the paper. Let's put the cartridge in the device. And as you see, the error is fixed. So that's it. Thank you very much. Good luck.